Good day everyone! We are here to share our thoughts about the importance of having a bank account. Bilang isang estudyante kagaya namin, ikaw ba ay may sapat ng kaalaman tungkol sa kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng bank account? Kung wala pa, halika na at pakinggan ang mga impormasyon na aming ibabahagi sa inyo.
What is bank account? A bank and an individual or institution enter into an agreement in which the bank agrees to retain money and or other assets on behalf of the other party. The essence of the account determines what the holder can do with those assets. A financial institution manages the account on behalf of the client. Banks and the financial services industry are an important part of the economy because they provide the means for people to borrow money, make investments, save for the future, and handle smaller tasks like paying bills. Banks are critical intermediary in what is called the payment system, which helps an economy exchange goods and services for money or other financial assets. Thus, banks lower transactions costs and act as a financial intermediaries, and they bring savers and borrowers together. Alam niyo ba na 34.5% lang ng mga Pilipino edad 15 pataas ang may bank account? According to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP, about 5 million Filipinos gained access to formal bank accounts between 2017 and 2019.
Ibig sabihin nito, karamihan ng mga Pilipino ay tinatawag na unbanked o hindi nakikinabang sa serbisyo ng mga bangko. Siguro ang iba sa kanila ay hindi marunong magbukas ng bank account o di kaya ay hindi makita ang benepisyo nito. These statistics are very alarming because having a bank account has a huge help to us in terms of saving our money and also to secure our savings.
So let's discuss the benefits of bank account. First is security. Security is an important reason why people store their money in bank accounts. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, keeping physical cash at home is not safe since your home is exposed to the risk of burglary, natural disasters such as floods, and accidents such as fires. At take note, hindi din okay na ilagay sa hukay ang mga pera dahil magkakaroon nito ng moisture sa ilalim ng lupa na pwedeng ikabulok ng pera. But don't worry, hindi pa babayaan ng bangko ang pera mo. Actually, the bank will store your money in their secured vaults. Sa katunayan, hindi malayo na mas safe ang pera mo sa bangko kasi kahit na marab ito, ang bank account mo ay mananatili na insured at hindi ito mawawala. Also, if you need to transfer a large sum of money to a friend na mayroon ding bank account, your bank can do it for you safely.
The second is, offer convenience. Siyempre, isa ako dyan na may gusto sa pagiging convenient ng isang bagay. Less hassle din ito, no? Kasi when you have a bank account, you are able to access physical cash wherever there is a bank branch or ATM. Tsaka pwede mong bayaran ng mga pinamili mo at services electronically through a debit card na nakalink sa iyong bank account. At ito pa, having a debit card also allows you to shop online, which gives you greater access to a variety of products from around the world. Kaya sa mga kagaya ko dyan na tamad magbayad ng mga bills nila, isa na to sa mga sagot sa buhay nyo. Hindi ka na napagpawisan sa labas ng dahil sa pila, madami ka pang oras na hindi masasayang.
Number 3. Earning interest rates. Ayan, kaway-kaway sa mga napapangiti kapag naririnig ang earning interest rates. Isa to sa mga important reason to have a bank account. Mapapansin mo sa bawat taon na lumilipas, the price of many goods and services rises gradually. For example, a bag of apple cost 45 pesos today. However, next year, the same bag of apple might cost 60 pesos. Nangyayari ito dahil mayroong inflation na nagaganap. Kaya as more money is required to purchase the same good or service due to inflation, the value of that same money falls. Having a savings account that earns interest protects you from inflation and the declining value of money.
Number 4, a way to save money. Many banks offer an interest rate when you put your money in a savings account. Bakit? Dahil ang interest ay makakatulong sa iyo sa pamamagitan ng pag-grow ng iyong pera sa paglipas ng panahon. Savings accounts are also beneficial as they can better help you save money. Kaya naman kailangan mong bawasan o iwasan ang paggamit ng payday loans, paghiram ng pera sa mga kaibigan mo, o ang kaka-Shopee at kaka-Lazada mo. Alam kong mahirap iwasan yan pero kailangan mo talagang magtiis. Para din naman to sa future mo, no? Ipon now, ginhawa later.
Number 5. Records of all savings. Hindi natin maipagkakaila na mas okay na nakikita natin ang lumalabas at pumapasok na pera sa ating bank account. Dahil dito natin nalalaman kung magkano pa ba ang savings na natitira sa atin. Passbook. Passbook ang ibinibigay ng bangko once na mayroon na tayong bank account. Kasi it records of all savings. The name comes from the fact that tellers would record the deposits, withdrawals, and interest earned for account holders. Sa ngayon, passbook still exists pero hindi na ito ganong inire-recommend dahil meron ng sites ang bangko at pwede mo itong i-check agad. Nonetheless, some banks and credit unions still offer passbook account as an option to their customers. In general, the accounts are now more commonly associated with savings account for children, though they may appeal to other type of customer as well.
Number 6, help you access credit. Banks and credit unions can help you access credit to acquire what you want, kagaya ng bahay, sasakyan, student, or personal loan. You know why? Because banks tend to favor existing customers, particularly those who manage their money well. And always remember that going to small lenders that lend you cash quickly can be quite expensive dahil mas mataas ang lending fees at rates nila. While bank accounts are preferred to offer check and piggy banks, and banks will also have fees that you should be aware of. Halimbawa na lang dito kapag nag-withdraw ka sa ATM, tapos hindi yun ang pagmamayari ng bangko kung saan ka naka-registered, at dapat na-sure mo din na nami-maintain mo ang minimum balance ng account na in-avail mo to avoid being charged. It's always best to shop around for the best product that fits your needs.
Number 7. Allows you to better manage your saving and spending habits. So finally, having a bank account allows you to better manage your saving and spending habits. Interest is also a source of income and encourage people to save regularly, which is a great habit to develop from an early age. At higit sa lahat, hindi ka mahihilig sa paggamit ng payday loans, paghiram ng pera sa kaibigan, o pagpili ng bagay na hindi mo pa naman kailangan. You're more likely to hold yourself accountable for your spending. Regular bank statements also display when and where money was spent, which can help people with planning and budgeting for future. Ang pagiging matalino sa pagsasaayos ng pera ay may malaking maitutulong sa iyong sarili. Malay mo sa mga simpleng pag-iipon mo ay makabili ka na ng sarili mong sasakyan.
Number 8, requirements for opening bank account. So these are the requirements. First, at least 2 forms of government-issued photo identification such as a valid driver's license or passport. Second, social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Third, utility bill with current address information. Fourth, full contact information of the applicant such as name, address, and phone number. Fifth, student checking accounts may require proof of enrollment in an eligible school such as a student ID or acceptance letter. And lastly, if the bank has a minimum deposit requirement, you may need to provide the deposit at the time of applying. Last but not the least, suggestions and advice. Therefore, the most important thing about having a bank account is security. keeping your money safe, and being able to draw cash wherever you need, it is better than finding yourself far from home and unable to access your money in a financial emergency.
The fast-paced lifestyle of today makes paying with cash difficult and even unsafe. Rather than taking the chance of leaving cash at home or carrying it with you, using a bank account is the way to go. So, kung gusto mo ng safe, convenient, at the same time nakikita mong nadadagdagan ng pera mo na nakatabi at namomonitor mo din ang paglabas at pagpasok ng pera nang hindi na kinakailangang gumawa pa ng mahabang listahan ng mga transactions mo kada buwan, ang bank account ang nag-iisang solusyon para sa'yo.